Have you ever seen a mechanical dog on the street in your life? These bionic robots not only appear in our daily lives, but are also widely used in firefighting, rescue, detection, material transportation, and other fields. What's more surprising is that they have even been modified by the military into combat mechanical dogs with weapons and are planned to be put into the battlefield. For some people, mechanical dogs are no longer a new thing. After all, they have been on the market for some time. But have you heard of mechanical wolves? Not long ago, a group of unmanned combat mechanical wolf packs debuted at the Zhuhai Air Show in China. Compared with mechanical dogs, the mechanical wolf has improved its performance in reconnaissance capabilities, strike capabilities, logistics support, and emergency response by about 30%. What's more amazing is that the operation of the entire mechanical wolf pack only requires an integrated command vehicle. So, what is the difference between mechanical dogs and mechanical wolves? How strong is the combat capability of China's mechanical wolf? If you like our video content, please click to subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you can receive all our latest video content. Now, let's get into today's topic. In modern society, a new combat mode allows us to see the development trend. Technology is gradually replacing traditional manpower input. Taking the Russian-Ukrainian conflict as an example, the widespread use of drones has become the focus of attention of countries around the world. As we all know, human life is priceless. The introduction of drones can not only greatly reduce the risk of casualties, but also has the significant advantages of low cost and high efficiency. Compared with ordinary fighters, drones are smaller and more flexible, which makes it easier to avoid detection by enemy radars. In addition, drones have shown great advantages in completing difficult tasks such as reconnaissance and targeted strikes. However, it should be noted that drones also have certain limitations. Complex urban building structures will interfere with their flight and operation capabilities, making it difficult for them to play their due role when performing tasks in such an environment. Therefore, the participation of ground soldiers is still indispensable in urban combat missions. But unexpectedly, just when many countries are still struggling with the difficulties of urban warfare, a cutting-edge research and development achievement in China has quietly broken this situation. In this year's China-Cambodia Golden Dragon 2024 joint military exercise, China demonstrated a highly anticipated new military equipment and intelligent mechanical dog. The appearance of this innovative product instantly attracted widespread attention. It is reported that this intelligent mechanical dog is divided into two types, one of which focuses on reconnaissance missions and is equipped with a 4D ultra-wide-angle perception system independently developed by China. The whole machine weighs only 20 kilograms, which is light and efficient. It can send back reconnaissance images in real time to provide key intelligence support to the command. At the same time, this mechanical dog is equipped with a high-performance power system and can complete a variety of flexible and complex actions. It is worth mentioning that the reconnaissance mechanical dog has the ability to autonomously plan routes, can intelligently avoid obstacles, and quickly approach the target. Its maximum travel speed can reach 6 to 8 kilometers per hour, which is equivalent to the speed of a human trot. Next, let's talk about the second intelligent mechanical dog, which is more hardcore and is mainly born for combat missions. It is also called a tough guy. This mechanical dog weighs 50 kilograms, more than twice as much as the reconnaissance type. Although it is slightly lacking in mobility, it completely makes up for this shortcoming in terms of endurance and load-bearing capacity. It can stand by for 2 to 3 hours and can carry a load of about 30 kilograms, which means it can perform heavier and more complex tasks. The most eye-catching feature is that it can carry an automatic rifle and achieve accurate shooting. In this year's China-Cambodia joint military exercise, this mechanical dog not only successfully completed the assault rifle shooting task, but also participated in reconnaissance operations. Whether it is dealing with complex terrain or simulating actual combat, it has demonstrated strong adaptability and actual combat potential. If drones have completely changed the way of air combat, then this assaulter is obviously setting off a new technological revolution in the field of ground combat. However, what you may not have expected is that after launching the mechanical dog, China also showed a mechanical wolf army to the outside world. Are you more curious after hearing this? So what is the difference between a mechanical wolf and a mechanical dog? At the China Zhuhai Air Show in November this year, in addition to the 5th-generation fighter J-35 becoming the focus of the whole venue, a more hardcore Chinese equipment, the Robot Wolf, also made its debut and quickly topped the hot search list of various countries. This four-legged bionic robot independently developed by China North Industries Group Corporation is actually a comprehensive upgrade based on the robot dog, and its performance and combat effectiveness have been qualitatively improved. The Robot Wolf is named not only because it is more powerful and intelligent, but also because it is closer to real wolves in some characteristics. Unlike traditional combat methods, the Robot Wolf adopts a clustered combat mode and can provide a complete set of comprehensive solutions. At present, this technology has evolved from single intelligence to group intelligence and responds to various complex battlefield problems through intelligent unmanned cluster combat mode. It closely connects people, vehicles, and wolves together, realizes interconnection and information sharing, and efficiently completes tasks through dynamic autonomous collaboration. As far as I know, the design of the Robot Wolf team is completely based on mission requirements, and 3 types of robot wolves work together to be responsible for reconnaissance, strike, and logistics support tasks, respectively. The first is the reconnaissance and detection type machine wolf, known as the head wolf of the squad. It is equipped with an advanced laser radar system, which can not only autonomously plan the path, but also accurately collect target information. Its communication range can reach 2 kilometers, and it is extremely flexible. At the same time, it is equipped with a high-definition camera system, which can transmit the reconnaissance images back to the command vehicle in real time, providing important intelligence support for precision operations. Next is the precision strike type machine wolf, which is the firepower of the entire formation. It can mount rifles or other strike loads and flexibly adjust the weapon configuration according to mission requirements. After receiving the data information sent back by the reconnaissance-type machine wolf, this firepower can quickly lock the target and launch a precision strike. The last type is the support-type robot wolf, which is mainly responsible for the logistics and auxiliary tasks of the unit. It has an automatic following function and can transport about 20 kilograms of supplies or ammunition to provide continuous support for the front line. Surprisingly, such a complete robot wolf unit only needs 1 integrated command vehicle and 1 soldier to control it at the same time. The entire unit is composed of 2 reconnaissance vehicles, 2 strike vehicles, and 2 support vehicles, forming a highly flexible and intelligent combat unit. Compared with the early combat-type robot dogs, the Precision Strike Wolf has significantly improved its firepower configuration, and its overall design is more advanced. In addition to being able to mount a rifle, it also has a new suspected shooting control unit on its back, which further improves the accuracy and flexibility of fire output. In terms of structural design, the Precision Strike Wolf is highly consistent with the Reconnaissance and Detection Wolf. The head and tail are equipped with LiDAR, and the head is also equipped with an image acquisition and return module. This design allows the Precision Strike Wolf to operate without completely relying on the Reconnaissance Wolf to provide data, realizing the integration of individual reconnaissance and strike functions. Judging from the parameters, the Robo-Wolf weighs 70 kilograms, has a combat radius of up to 2 kilometers, a battery life of up to 4 hours, and supports self-organizing network capabilities of up to 30 nodes. Although the Robo-Wolf did not demonstrate the specific functions of linking with the robot dog at the Zhuhai Air Show, it is speculated from the known data that it clearly has basic capabilities in automatically identifying targets and executing precise strikes. This is also basic requirements for unmanned equipment. It It is not difficult to see from this information that the wolf pack tactics developed by China is gradually subverting the traditional war model. In the past wars, soldiers had to go to the front line and face the test of life and death. Now, with the addition of unmanned equipment such as robot wolves, the war form is developing towards unmanned and intelligent. Soldiers can remotely control these equipment to put themselves in a relatively safe position and complete tasks efficiently. But it is worth our attention that the wolf pack tactics is not a static model. Of course, the continuous advancement of this technology also brings questions worth pondering. If unmanned equipment such as robot wolves can completely replace soldiers in the future, does it mean that the war will move towards zero casualties? In fact, unmanned equipment has become the core focus of strategic research and development in various countries. In addition to the well-known mechanical dogs and drones, unmanned combat vehicles are becoming a new research and development hotspot. As early as 2017, the United States also launched the Robot Wingman project and planned to invest $20 million in research and development. In February of this year, the U.S. Army clearly proposed in its Army Force Structure Transformation report that it would promote the reshaping of the force structure and significantly expand the size of unmanned combat forces through comprehensive adjustments to weapons and equipment and personnel configuration. This indicates that the United States has regarded unmanned combat as the strategic core of future development. Not only the United States, but other countries are also accelerating the layout of unmanned combat vehicles. For example, South Korea issued the Multifunctional Unmanned Vehicle Procurement Project tender announcement this year, planning to invest approximately $35.56 million to promote related procurement projects. Countries such as Israel and Germany have already started research in the field of unmanned combat vehicles, trying to seize the technological high ground of future battlefields. It can be said that the Russia-Ukraine conflict has become a real case for countries to study the future form of war. Faced with such a trend, we have to think, will the future battlefield be completely dominated by intelligent and unmanned equipment? To not miss out on our future projects and news updates, please make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications. We will continue to provide you with more exciting and interesting content.